This is the new mini kit from OTLVISE. The serial numbered kit will not be produced anymore in conjunction with the frame dolly. Nor will the pulling handle be included, which costs only $4 and $40 to ship. So it's a waste of money. You get your own handle. There's the grip for it though. Here it is all assembled up as you'll do it once you get it. And you've got extended padding here and washers to extend the life once you start to wear it out, which is probably going to be for, I don't know, 5 years, depending on how you use it and abuse it. Some people don't oil behind the head, and that wears out the disc. So the nut, the washer, and the head, just a little bit of oil in there, and keep some grease on the screw, and clean it once in a while. It's real easy. If it gets beat up, you can just spray paint it again, and it's like new. If you need labels, I can send the labels to you if you want. So there it is. There's also going to be a 3.5 inch clamp available. Here you could also put the spacer block on the magnet that's on the shoe. So you always have that with you also. So there it is. Everybody wanted just this, just what you need. That's all you need right here. You can move SLATE. Other components are available down the road if you want them. Okay, so the price of this is not going to be cheap. You can see it on the website. Have a good day.